Imagine securing your future in Australia with a permanent residency visa. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how you can transition from a Subclass 491 or 494 visa to the coveted Subclass 191 permanent residence visa. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps, eligibility requirements, and key documentation needed to make this important move. First, let's understand the Subclass 491 and 494 visas. These visas allow skilled workers to live and work in designated regional areas of Australia. The Subclass 491 visa is designed for skilled workers who can reside and work in regional Australia for up to 5 years. On the other hand, the Subclass 494 visa caters to skilled workers sponsored by an employer in a regional area, emphasizing employment stability. Both visas are pathways to permanent residency, leading to the Subclass 191 visa if you meet the required conditions. To transition to the Subclass 191 visa, you must meet specific eligibility criteria, including residency, employment, and income thresholds. Maintaining the necessary period of living in a designated regional area is crucial for your eligibility. Your employment must be ongoing and satisfy the criteria defined by your current visa, particularly in a nominated occupation. A valid skill assessment that aligns with your nominated occupation is also required for the Subclass 191 application. Be aware of the application deadlines. Apply for the Subclass 191 visa before your current visa expires to avoid any gaps in your residency status. Gather all required documents meticulously, including proof of residency, employment, and income to support your application. Consider consulting a migration agent or legal expert familiar with visa transitions to assist with the application process. The Subclass 191 permanent residence visa offers numerous benefits, including access to Medicare and the opportunity to apply for citizenship. Holders of the Subclass 191 visa can enjoy better job opportunities, unrestricted work rights, and access to public services. This visa provides the security of living in Australia indefinitely, allowing you to plan your future and stability for your family. You can also sponsor your family members for permanent residency, further enhancing the community ties you've developed. To qualify for the Subclass 191 visa, you must have lived in a designated regional area for at least 3 years under your Subclass 491 or 494 visa. You must also demonstrate that you have earned the necessary income threshold during this period. Ensure all necessary documentation is prepared promptly to avoid any delays in the transitioning process. Several factors can influence your transition, including regional employment criteria, income thresholds, and compliance with visa conditions. Meeting the regional employment criteria is crucial, requiring you to have lived and worked in a designated regional area for a specified duration. Adhering to the income thresholds set by the Department of Home Affairs is paramount for your application status. Strict adherence to your visa conditions, such as staying employed in your nominated occupation and residing in the designated regional area, is essential. Meeting the duration of residency requirement is fundamental, typically mandating that you reside and work in a regional area for at least 3 years. Gathering all required documentation, including proof of employment, financial records, and any additional documentation, is paramount for a seamless transition. Review and ensure your actions are within the boundaries of your current visa conditions to avoid any breaches. Assessing whether you meet the job criteria outlined in your current visa will be vital for your application to be viewed favorably. Seeking professional advice from immigration consultants or lawyers can provide you with insights tailored to your unique situation. Follow these tips to enhance your chances of approval. Ensure all information is accurate, review eligibility requirements, submit documents on time, and maintain open communication with a migration agent. Stay informed about policy changes and address any potential weaknesses in your application proactively. Transitioning from Subclass 491 or 494 to Subclass 191 involves meeting specific criteria and gathering necessary documentation. Follow these steps to enhance your chances of successfully obtaining your permanent residency in Australia. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on your journey to permanent residency. Your future in Australia awaits.